If you take your coffee black, there may be a few good reasons to switch up your routine. Whether dairy or plant-based, adding milk can add health benefits. Number 1. You will get more vitamins and minerals. Coffee is full of helpful vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B2, vitamin B3, magnesium, and potassium. It's also rich in antioxidants which protect your cells against free radicals. Yet, if you are looking to give your morning cup of joe an added health boost, milk can help. Many people enjoy the smooth texture that milk adds to their cup of coffee, but milk also offers health benefits. A splash of added milk can provide many vitamins and minerals, especially calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are vital for building and maintaining strong bones, teeth, and muscles. Number 2, it gives your morning a protein boost. According to the American Society of Nutrition, concerning protein in the morning confers a handful of health benefits, including helping you build muscle and lose weight. That's why eggs with their high protein content make a great choice for breakfast. Milk, which typically contains 8 grams of protein per cup, is another great source of morning protein, whether it's in your coffee, oatmeal, or cereal. Number 3, it can help fight inflammation. Adding milk to your morning cup of coffee may also help you combat inflammation. Polyphenols are compounds found in plants, including coffee beans, and they act as antioxidants to control oxidative stress and inflammation. Inflammation is the culprit behind many chronic conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Recent research found that when the polyphenols in coffee were combined with the protein in milk, it boosted the anti-inflammatory effects of the polyphenols. In fact, immune cells exposed to both polyphenols and protein were twice as effective at fighting inflammation compared to polyphenols alone. Number 4, it may be gentler on your stomach. When you add milk to your coffee, it also increases the pH level of your beverage, making it overall less acidic. If coffee tends to upset your stomach, stirring a little milk into it may lead to less heartburn and digestive distress. Not a fan of regular dairy milk? Even better, using almond milk instead of cow's milk or other plant-based milks can further neutralize the acidity level of your coffee. Since almonds are alkaline, this can be especially beneficial if you happen to suffer from certain gastrointestinal conditions, according to a 2021 study published in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition.